Strong Mag 5.4 earthquake, Indian Ocean, Indonesia, on Wednesday, January 18, 2023 at 11:27 p.m. local time. According to the Meteorological, Climatological, and Geophysical Agency of Indonesia reported updated January 18, 2023 17:03 Greenwich Mean Time 8 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake data. Interactive map. New. SEISMOGRAMS. User reports. AFTERSHOCKS. Earlier quakes here. Quakes in Indonesia, East Java, Yogyakarta, Jakarta. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. Strong magnitude 5.4 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth.